Alright, we all know the value of having right vitamins, right micronutrients, and at the same time, right amount of salad. But at the same time, we always don't put that effort to make the salad. So today we're going to show you how to make those salad very easy with the minimum time possible. So welcome to Bodyprocoach Nutrition. I'm Praveen and I've got very special person, Meg, with me.
Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing an epic tofu vegan salad. 1 cup microgreens.
Microgreens. We got 29 calories in about 100 grams. So that makes it on a regular basis eating habit for this one.
Half cup of cucumber. So I've diced the cucumber already like I showed you previously. That's half cup of cucumber. Half cup of diced bok choy. Avocado with me. Mix all and mash all of these together.
Alright, if you're a regular eater of the salads, we can definitely reduce all this below mentioned stuffs or the medications or the health conditions, obesity, diabetics, heart disease and high blood pressure. So you want to make sure that you incorporate as much as possible of the microgreens and the correct fats.
Now I have olives in it. So green olives are really high in vitamin E. Also, olives are the one from where we extract extra virgin olive oil. Then we have 125 grams of feta cheese. Again, feta cheese are essentially high in essential fats. They are moderately, relatively low in calories. I have 2 tablespoons of cheese spread and that's 1 tablespoon of olive oil. That's about a pinch of pink salt, 1 whole lime.
So just add up some value to it again. So it's very high in calcium, protein, and at the same time, good fats.
There we go. And we just try to give it a quick whip. And our salad, cold salad, healthy, nutritious, is ready. There we go. And it's good to be served. And our salad is ready to be served. There we go. So it's yummy, delicious, and highly nutritive. So guys, the epic vegan salad is ready. Please do try this and leave the comments below how do you like it. Also, we have 4 videos coming every week. Please log in and check to our videos. Please share it and subscribe it with your friends.
Yep. So it's about eating the right food at the right time. But I believe this is something that you want to eat at any time of the day without thinking much about it. It got very good amount of calcium. It got protein, fats. So probably the most of the thing that you're looking at food, a meal I would rather say, everything is there in this plate. So go and check it out and I'm sure that you're going to like it a lot. So please do put the comments below that we get to know that what kind of video that you're looking for in the future. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.
Thank you so much.